I feel inherently safer in an SUV, and that's why my go-to self-drive car is my Mahindra Thar. Whether in the city or on my adventures, my Thar is my constant companion, and I take my son with me on all my adventures. So safety is very important, both on-road and off-road. The Thar boasts of a roll cage, which not only protects occupants in case of a rollover, but also stiffens the frame and adds strength. This assists in better off-road handling, making the Thar a safe, desirable choice. And guess what? It also has ISOFIX mounts for a child seat. And of course, ABS and ESP along with a 4-star global NCAP rating. I believe in exploring the impossible, but I also believe in staying safe. Have fun and drive safe.